you can twerk wild in a split. You racking up. Ah, shit. You're here. You look so pretty.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. So what we have here is the Vedgeco plant-based company here, and we're gonna do an unboxing. I ordered some really great stuff for Thanksgiving, so here we go. Okay, when you first open it up, it actually has this here, and this is just a list of the different products that they do sell. The ones that contain soy and the ones that do not contain soy. So here we go. We're going to open this up. And it is cold, as they stated it would be. So I am going to try the vegan shrimp here. As you can see, I actually bought 2 bags of these. It says keep frozen. Ingredients: water, modified starch, sunflower oil, pea extract, sea salt, seaweed extract, and brown sugar. So I'm excited about these. I've heard really good reviews on these. So like I said, I bought 2 of those. Next, I'm really excited about the vegan smoked drumsticks. So this is what the drumsticks look like here. This actually came with the offer that I got for Thanksgiving. Non-GMO, textured soybean protein powder, also pea starch or starch. Also, sugarcane stick is what makes the actual drumstick. You can see that there. Let's see. Natural vegan seasoning, sunflower seed oil. So I'm really excited. Can't wait to try these. And I'm going to actually do a trial before it's Thanksgiving, so that I know what I like, what kind of recipes to use, and different things like that. So it actually came with the promotion that I actually bought here. So the next thing that I'm really excited about is the vegan turkey roast, and so I will be trying this for Thanksgiving. I'm going to try it on Thanksgiving Day, so this will be the final reveal for everything. But it is a vegan turkey ham, water, non-GMO, textured soybean protein, sunflower seed oil, soybean protein, brown sugar, pea protein, carrot extract, sea salt, white pepper, and chili powder. And it's stuffed with brown rice, red quinoa, sweet potato, taro, also cashews, chestnuts, mushrooms, shiitake mushroom, king mushroom, lotus seeds, pinto beans, potato, carrot, sea salt, vegan mushroom seasoning, and this actually contains soy and wheat. I'm not on a soy diet nor a wheat diet, so I'm excited about this. I'm excited to see how it's going to taste, and this is what it looks like here. Next, I love my mac and cheese, and I'm excited about the cheese that I bought here. I bought a lot of cheese so I can get ready for my mac and cheese that I will be doing. I'm actually going to use some of this so that I can try my mac and cheese recipe prior to Thanksgiving, so when I eat, I won't be disappointed. Okay. So I'm going to actually put everything in the freezer, and then stay tuned for my different recipes that I will be trying. Okay, see you later.